What's up guys, Hunter here, Precision Rust Fits. Another how to remove or install video here for you on this new 2026, goes for 2023, 2026 Super Duty, F350, 250, whatever it is. We're gonna take apart these mirrors, take them off, and then we're actually gonna show you how to get inside without breaking the glass, take the mirror cap off and the mirror light if need be. So let's get into it. So for starters, you're gonna take this little plastic cap off. You already did. You just do that by hand. Just get your fingers behind it, and then it pops off. Just got those couple of clips, and then it'll expose the wiring on the inside here, as well as 4 10mm. There's 2 nuts and then 2 screws that go on the inside. So you can see the 2 nuts. There's the one above the plug there and one just below it, and then the other 2 are in the inside right there. So undo those, unplug everything gently. And the mirror is clipped in, so you shouldn't have to worry too much about it falling after you get those unscrewed. Not a bad idea just to hold it while you're doing that though too. But it is clipped in, so you're gonna see, shut that door a little bit. You're gonna see how he kind of pries this out. Kenny said he leaves one partially on just so it doesn't fall, because if it falls you're in a world of hurt. So pull it all the way off till you get on the outside, and you're just gonna kind of lift and shimmy it out of there. Just like so. You can see that clip at the top. So you just gotta kind of pull it out. But that's really it as far as getting the mirror off the truck. We're gonna go in, we're gonna pop the glass off to show you how to get in the inside if you need to swap out your mirror light or mirror cap. Okay, so for removing the glass and such in order to get to the inside, you're gonna see kind of in here, as well as Kenny's face right there in the reflection. You kind of see a little bit of a notch in there. It's what you're gonna want to take your flathead screwdriver in and get into there, okay? Yeah, you can see that little notch in there. That's where you're gonna need to pry, and you never ever wanna pry upwards on the glass like that. You just wanna twist the screwdriver, okay? So you're gonna see him kinda get in there, wiggle itself in there, and just give it some twists. See, it kinda just pops those plastic clips right off. And then from there, you might need to rearrange and do it, but from there, it's off. Never pry on the corner up in a direction, it'll crack the glass. But if you just get in there and twist like that, easy enough just to get those off, and then from there you can unplug your blind spot and heater plug and whatnot. That's the back of the mirror. And then move to the bottom one. And then the other one has the same type of a spot, except for this one's on the inside upper corner, right in there. So he's gonna get in there, do the same exact thing. Just twisting that screwdriver instead of prying with it, and it'll pop that off. And you can, from there, get your glass off and unplug it, and it exposes the inside here where you're gonna have 5 7mm screws that you're gonna wanna remove. So he's gonna remove those 7mm, again 5 of them. From there, you can't just pull the pieces apart because there are some tabs, but we're gonna separate this back face from the front face. Get all your screws all the way out, but there are some tabs in here that are still connected. Yeah, you can get away with, sometimes you can take this front face off and the back face. If you want to take just the back face off, you don't necessarily have to take this off, but since we're taking this mirror all the way apart, we're going to do that here. And so you move that, that's a T10 is what that is, and then that'll pop off. And then from there, you're going to see it's got a couple tabs on the top where the mirror cap clips into. Pry those back, and then from there are a couple tabs in here. They do break from time to time, but if you're gentle enough, you should maybe be able to get away without them entirely breaking. Just like so. Okay, and then that'll expose the inside here. And then this piece is technically all the way free if you wanted to pull.
There's still another tab in there.
Well, for the mirror cap, yeah, I'm saying for the, but for the backing piece. you could do that. Your mirror light will be plugged in, so you want to do that little tab there. You do have a mirror light on the bottom. On the passenger side, you'll have a little temperature sensor that you'll undo as well. But this is the driver side, and from there, mirror lights out, mirrors apart, and you're good to swap your mirror lights or your mirror cap. There is a tab for the mirror cap right here, which is why the mirror cap won't just come off by taking those top tabs out. So undo that, mirror cap, clap Evan's cheeks, clap, mirror cap will come out. So that does it for the mirror disassembly as far as taking off the truck and then disassembling it if you're swapping the mirror lights or the mirror cap itself. Pretty simple. Take your time, especially on the glass. Don't want to crack the glass, and you should be able to get everything apart from there. So that does it for this one. We're going to continue taking this apart, so if you need to learn how to take apart door handles or tailgate plaque, watch the next video. But from there, appreciate watching. Hunter and Kenny doing the work, signing off.